Is Trader here, and on the entry point predictor, specifically here I am on EPP over and under entries, of which EPP means entry point predictor for over and under, and here are the entries, and I'm doing over 5. As you can see, this is over 5. I'm actually on my demo account. Since I'm testing, I've just finished updating it. I'm just testing it currently, and then let me just scroll down. As per now, it's not a must for you to use the normal auto trader, the old auto trader. You can use now this. Just click on the auto config. Once you click on the auto config, we have here where you can add entry points, and we have this red alert down there which says entry points can be separated by comma, e.g. 98, 67. That means an entry point of 98 where 9 followed by 8, and then or another entry point of 6 followed by 7. So you can have multiple entry points. So you can choose 2 from here. So for example, in the above case, maybe I can choose, let's say, like 5 4 as my entry point, and then 7 3 as my entry point. So I'll write 5 4 7 3 as my entry point, and then you can write those, and then you say, okay, you want to trade over 5, and then okay, I'll just turn off smart sync for now, and then you can turn on the auto trade, but as per me, I'll just use the auto sync and the smart sync, I mean. And when I turn on the smart sync, it will automatically write the entry point for me. It will automatically write the entry point for me. When I turn on the smart sync, it will automatically write the entry point for me. As you can see, these are 1 2 3 4 trades, all wins. When I turn on the smart sync, these trades have been placed using the smart sync. The smart sync was, as you can see, now we have 3 3. We had 4 3 previously. Now we have 3 3, and it's now using the smart sync. And once you turn on the smart sync, you'll notice that let me turn it off, and as you can see right here, we have trade over. When I turn it on, we have the number of entries. So for example, I want it to select for me something like 3 entries. I'll just add here 3 and wait and see. Keep an eye on the entry points right here. As you can see, now we have 3. We have 3 3 1 2 and 9 2. That's what actually the number of entries means. Now I'll just use 1, and you can use also 3 or 4 or 5, up to 5, maximum of 5. And then once you have done that, just select the smart sync and then the auto trade. The smart sync will automatically give you the perfect entry points here, and then the auto trade will take the trades automatically. This applies to also the even and odd. We have the even and odd right here. This applies also to even and odd, and we have the merges and differs, also applies to merges and differs. And that's all, guys, about the entry point predictor. It will select the perfect entry point for you and then enter the trade. As you can see here, we had 4 trades, all wins. I was just testing it. I've just finished updating it, like I think like 30 minutes ago. As you can see, it's now 3:31. That's all about the entry point. And for those asking about the classes, we'll resume the classes on 6th of January. Currently we are going on holidays, so up to 6th of January we'll resume on classes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.